In these set of videos, I'm trying to share with you the practice test questions of my student. And I hope that helps you also to practice for your test. Now let's review percent. We'll see percent as ratio with the help of this question. There are 20,000 species of butterflies. This number is 80% of the number of orchids. How many species of orchids are there? So that is the question. So try to answer and then look into my suggestion. Now let's define the variable. It says how many species of orchids are there? We don't know. Let's say X. So let the species of orchids be X. We say let the species of orchids be X. Now that will help us to write down the equation. Now there are 20,000 species of butterflies. This number is 80% of number of orchids. Now that number, that is 20,000. So 20,000 means equal to 80% of X. This is what we are saying, is 80% means 80 out of 100 of X. So that is our equation. Do you understand? Now to get X, we'll just cross multiply, right? So you can write this as also equals to, well, 0.8, right, of X. Now X will be equal to 20,000 divided by 0.8. So use the calculator, get the answer, right? So it is 21, 2, 3 zeros divided by 0.8 gives you 25,000. So that is the answer, right? So 25,000 equals to X. So our answer is species of orchids equals to 25,000. Okay, so that is how you can solve this question. I hope that's absolutely clear. Now when you read the question, it should be clear to you. It says this number is 80% of number of orchids. That means butterflies is less, right? So we are expecting a number which is more than 20,000, and 25,000, it works, correct? Find 80% of 25,000, you'll get 20%, 20,000, correct? So that is how you can also check your answer. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.